there's the top of his head. There's a big eyebrow of his. Bring it on down like that. Do the same over here. Just like that. And then what we're going to do is bring his eye bits around like this. Just like that. And then we're going to do the same over here like this. Bring that on down like that and around. This is looking good. Now we can bring this around here like that. And that'll be his cheek bit. Now let's draw Mighty Mouse's ear. It's a big one. He's got big ears, because mice have big ears. Just like that. And then this will be the inside of his ear right about here like this. A little bit like that. Looking good, everyone. Now what we can do is draw his snout, or his little nose I should say. Start right about here like that. There we go. Bring it around like this. There we go, and here's his chin bit right around here. And then we continue this around, just like that. Very nice, everybody. Now we can draw his nose in here like this. There's Mighty Mouse's nose, with a little highlight on his nose. Looking good. Now let's draw an eye here. Little cheek bit here. And his other eye right there. Very nice. A little winky bit there for the top of his eye. And then we could draw in his eyes right there. Very nice. Oh, I like it. And now let's draw his mouth. Big ol' happy mouth Mighty Mouse has, because he's smiling all the time, isn't he? He's mighty after all. There we go. Let's give him some teeth. And a bit of a tongue. And there's his chin bit. Very nice. Now let's continue his costume. So his cape is going to be here like this. There we go. And we're going to do that like that to a pointy bit there. And now let's bring his arm around. There's his shoulder and his arm coming down like that. There's his elbow and here's his forearm coming around. Mighty Mouse has gloves, so we'll do this. Top of his forearm and then his glove bit. Give him a bit of a fist, because he's mighty always got his fists ready for fighting, doesn't he? Big old fist right about here, all curled up like this. There we go. And we won't forget his thumb right about there. Very nice, everybody. Now what we can do is bring his chest bit over here. Mighty Mouse is very strong, so he's got a big chest. Bring it in like that. And bring his belt around here like this. And continue his body up there like that. Very good, everybody. This is looking nice. Let's not forget about his belt here. Right, like this and like that. His buckle will be right about there. And then we can bring his arm up here as if he's in flight. Here comes Mighty Mouse's top of his arm there. Little bit here, there's his glove bit. Bottom of his arm, the elbow bit there. Bring it in like that. Very good. Glove bit around like that. And we'll give him a bit of a fist up here too. Just like this. Little wavy bits like that. Bring his finger down there. His thumb can wrap around like that. And then we go 1, 2, and around like that. And there's his 3 fingers. Palm of his hand there. Very nice, everybody. Now let's see. We're gonna do his legs here. Follow me down like that. Give him a bit of a bum here like this. And this leg can come around tucked in a bit. So bring a swirly circle around like this. Very nice. And do that. That looks good. And this will be his boot bit here, right about there. And a foot coming down like this. nice, everyone. Let's do this thing with this foot over here. Here's his boot bit like this. Very nice. I like it. And then his bottoms can come around like this. There we go, Mighty Mouse. Now we can draw his cape. A line there. Bring the cape bit up like that. Little wavy bits like that. Looking nice. And then we can do the same over here. This. Up like that. And bring his cape around like this. Very nice. Finish it off with a bit of a tail. And we're good as gold. Mighty Mouse, everybody. Let's get to the color. Mighty Mouse has a yellow suit, red cape, boots, and bottoms, light colored skin, black head, belt, mouth, and nose, and a pink tongue. Thanks, everyone.